Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're learning Tagalog or just getting curious about how Filipino grammar works, this video is for you. In today's lesson, we're looking at another very important word, nang. Nang. If you've heard sentences like, gusto ko ng kape, or bumili siya ng tinapay, and wondered what nang does in those sentences, don't worry, we're breaking it all down today. Let's start with the basics. Nang is a marker in Tagalog. But unlike ang, which marks the subject or focus of the sentence, nang marks the non-focused noun, usually the object of the verb, or the doer in a passive sentence. It answers questions like, what did the subject act on? Or, who did something? Let's look at a few examples so you can really see how nang is used. Example 1. Bumili siya ng tinapay. Bumili siya ng tinapay. He or she bought bread. Tinapay or bread is the thing bought. It's the object. So we use ng tinapay. Kumain sila ng mangga. Kumain sila ng mangga. They ate mango. Mangga is the thing they ate. Again, it's the object. So we mark it with ng mangga. Third example. Kinain ng aso ang ulam. Kinain ng aso ang ulam. The food was eaten by the dog. Ng aso, by the dog. Here, ng marks the doer in a passive sentence. Let's do a comparison of the markers. Ang is used for subject or focused noun. Example, ang bata ay masaya. Or you can also say, masaya ang bata. The kid is happy. Nang. Nang is used for object or non-focused noun. Example, gusto ko ng tubig. Gusto ko ng tubig. Or, I like water. Si. Si is used for personal name or for subject. Si Ana ay maganda. Si Ana ay maganda. Ana is beautiful. As you can see here, si and ang are quite similar, but it's just that si is being used for personal names. In this case, Ana. Think of ang and si as pointing to the main subject of a sentence, and nang as pointing to the other important part, often the object. Here are some everyday phrases where nang is used, and you might hear them a lot. Gusto ko ng kape. I want coffee. Gusto ko ng kape. Gusto ko ng kape. Pahingi ng tubig. Can I have some water? Pahingi ng tubig. Pahingi ng tubig. Nagbigay siya ng regalo. He or she gave a gift. Nagbigay siya ng regalo. Nagbigay siya ng regalo. Bumili siya ng cellphone. He bought a phone. Bumili siya ng cellphone. Bumili siya ng cellphone. If you're expressing what you want, give, eat, drink, etc., that's where noun usually comes in. So to recap, noun is a powerful little word that helps you describe objects and actions more clearly. It usually marks the object in a sentence or the doer in passive sentences. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment with your own sentence using nang, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tagalog lessons. Salamat and ingat kayo! See you on the next video!